almost knew it was you, but I hoped that you were coming around on one side.
What?
I heard you stepping, but I hoped to God that you weren't doing that. I just fell for it. It's yours, by the way.
Yeah, that's fine.
I drank the whole damn thing.
Sky is pretty.
Yeah, it's nice weather today.
Yeah, it's kind of hot. Yes. I love how it's. Is it a paper plate? They use paper plates to write the numbers.
Skip.
Skip? What's that mean?
I think it might be LS swap. It sounds like it's LS swap.
I'm so great at recording.
He rubbed it up.
I keep not looking at it.
He rubbed it up. Rubbed it up.
That probably feels so exhilarating.
Do I think it's
Your driver's seat.
no goats, sir.
Goats? What? I
Don't really.
don't know what they're talking about. I'm not getting a goat. I want a goat.
Haley, you don't want to go.
I want a goat. They probably stink. I want chickens. When I
If
first
they stink like me, then.
when I first first moved into the house when I'm 20, I wanted to get chickens. They said they would, and I would get eggs and stuff from them and sell it. And I was like, my big old plan. I never did it. And I was so sad about it.
Because you had a plan.
What?
You had a plan.
Wait, a plant?
You had a plan.
Oh my god.
Plan.
Plant.
P-L-A.
Oh look, it's doing it. It's the one that I wanted to go.
P-L-A-N-D.
And we make
Wow. Well, I'm not gonna smell it. So.
You like my ring?
How did it
I
stop?
can't wait for the camera to go.
For what? For what?
I don't want your dog.
No, do better this time. Do better this time.
Because it's cool. Because we got a flash.
Where's the paint shop? Let's watch it go.
I love that.
Yeah.
Logan? You don't get one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Did it?
That's hard.
Everybody's fresh and then
Coolest fresh out?
Or cool.
fresh out.
I don't got it.
Right. Oh, hell. Keep going. Come on.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. About to duke up with me.
It's a fluid movement. You gotta keep it going. It's a fluid movement. Don't stop.
You don't stop.
Just keep it going, bro. Yeah. Right? Yeah, it is what it is. Right?
Yeah, I get it. I don't got it. I don't got it. I'm serious.
You don't have it.
I'm telling you, I don't got it. I wish I did.
You were close. You were close.
Was this?
They're so quick. Probably.
I thought he was gonna spray mud us. That's what I thought was about to happen there.
After he gets removed, we're getting a piece up. I think that caused
God damn. Already done.
What are you talking about?
Oh shit.
What is going on?
Does the steering wheel go the wrong way?
Got an inverted steering box. Right or left?
Old girl. Dude. Yeah.
Mike? Freeland, Kansas.
Oh, Freeland. The land of the free.
Yeah. You guys are all from Freeland? Yeah.
You from Freeland?
He's outcast. That guy has some extreme long arms.
I already tried to
Remember that Green Liberty?
Yeah.
That's the one of them.
We should have took the vibe.
I tell you what.
The vibe. We should make my truck on the vibe.
That is cool as shit.
Huh? That would be fucking badass, wouldn't it?
That is.
Hey, Jared.
I know my Crayola. I said I got chicken.
No.
I mean, don't eat that many
You don't take my truck in there.
Color there.
I have.
I'd say the flavor of them too.
So good.
Did you bring any?
Sorry about your luck. Well, if you
See Lewis the passenger seat of the Silverado?
Oh, it'll pull through.